Hey, it's Matt with 911R, and I wanted to kind of talk about the underside of the screen RSR build that we did, because you can just really highlights how the quality of the cars. You can really tell a lot by how the underside of some of these cars look. If they don't look finished, or they really seem like they cut corners or just rattle can stuff, it's not the same car. But when you see a car like this, it's been full done on rotisserie with all the right stuff. It's got the wrapper lining on the bottom. Everything's all painted to match. And so let's just kind of talk about some of the components. So this car has Vaughn's coilover suspension in it, front and back. It has adjustable bump steer kit in it with the solid ball joint ends, cambered ball joints here. The big thing on it has 930 calipers. And when you really look at that, the calipers compared to regular 911s, period, and these things are massive. And they're a floating hat style on this. This has the Terret RSR through body sway bars on it. Again, you can see it had a new fuel tank. Rebel Racing swivel joint front control arm mounts. These really make the control arms float and work really nicely, and they don't rattle, and you don't have any maintenance like the poly bronze stuff. In the front, you can see up in here, you have the big oil cooler, the correct green striped hoses going to the lines with the finned hoses. I mean, again, I looked it up in this wheel well, and you see how nice and clean and everything is finished on this car. Right. Stainless brake lines, Bosch fuel pump, new fuel tank. Again, the bottom of the car is just, you could eat off it. It's just as clean as the top of the car. Again, the RSR style sway bars, aluminum control arms off a later 911. These are much stronger, much lighter than the steel ones. Again, the Vaughn's coilover shocks, the 930 calipers. Looking at the bottom of the engine, you can see the George's European headers. These things flow really good. They're on a lot of the race cars. They work great. Dansk muffler. Just everything is clean, tidy. The wheels on it are braid, RSR look wheels. They're 9s and 11s with the Michelin TB ultra sticky tires. You can really rip things up on these things. Just everything is right on this car. Any questions, let me know. I can tell you everything, every nut and bolt on this thing. It's just an amazing build. Again, thank you.